CES 2018 is the world's largest tech show, and if you want to know what's going on, subscribe to Gadgets 360's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever new videos go live. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro and Porsche designed Huawei Mate 10 were unveiled last October, but on the CES show floor, we got some hands-on time with both devices. Starting with the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, it offers a 6-inch Full HD Plus OLED full-view display which boasts an 81.61% screen-to-body ratio. It's powered by Huawei's homegrown high-silicon Kirin 970 SoC, which features a neural network processor unit. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro comes in two variants, one with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and another one with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. All this is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. It has dual rear cameras, out of which one is a 20-megapixel monochrome sensor and a 12-megapixel RGB sensor, coupled with OIS, BSI, CMOS, PDAF, CAF, laser autofocus, and depth autofocus, apart from a dual LED flash. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel fixed focus shooter. Notably, the rear dual camera setup has been co-engineered by Leica, like the setup on the Huawei Mate 9 before it. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro runs EMUI 8.0 based on Android 8.0. The Porsche-designed Huawei Mate 10 is a special variant of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro that comes in diamond black. It's available in only one variant with 6GB RAM and 256GB storage. The rest of the space remains identical, though there's a notable change in the interface to suit the Porsche design style guide. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned to Gadgets360.com for the latest news, opinions, reviews in everything tech.